Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson that is our solar system, and you know that our solar system there are many types of things are there. Like there are eight planets are there in the solar system. One big star is there and we called it sun. Next we have a natural satellite in our solar system that is called as moon. Okay. And in the previous class we were discussing about the day and night, how the day and night occurs when the earth completes one rotation. It's called at that time the day and night changes, and when the earth complete one revolution, then seasons get changed. Is it? So you know that yes, it is clear from the figure that the sun's rays fall directly on the equator throughout the year. Therefore, the equator has equal days and equal nights of about 12 hours each. Is it? So, you can ask me why the day and night are equal in hours. You know that 12 hours night is there and 12 hours day is there. 12 ತಾಸು day time ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 12 ತಾಸು night time ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Why the day and night both are equal? Because the rays of the sunlight falls on the equator directly. Okay, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬೆಳಕು equator ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾ. That's because the day and the night hours are completely equal. Okay, and there is no summer or winter but autumn and spring. You know that there are 4 seasons mainly: summer, winter, monsoon and autumn. And all those 4 seasons are also equally in month. Okay, all the seasons for 3 months. Is it? Winter is for 3 months, autumn is the 3 months. Every single season is for 3 months, and seasons are also what fixed, like for 3 months. Okay, and this is how seasons occur. Yes, when the earth completes one revolution, then the seasons occur. We observe that these seasons occur again and again in almost the same months of the year. Yes, did you observe one thing that all these months occur in the same month? All these seasons occur in the same month for every year. So for example, see, in the December month, which season we are having? Now we are in winter season. So every year winter season ಯಾವ ಮಂತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ what repeat in the same month for every year, and this is because each year the earth comes back to the same position with respect to the sun in almost the same month. Yes, this is why all the why days and nights are equal, and why the seasons comes in the same month every year. This is just because the rays of the sunlight, the rays of the sun falls on the equator directly. That's because seasons and hours are same for every year and for every day also. Okay, and seasons are caused because of the revolution of the earth. Yes, the revolution of the earth. Why seasons can occur, or why seasons can caused? Seasons can caused because of the revolution of the earth and the tilted axis of the earth. The tilted axis of the earth. ಈ earth tilted axis ಮತ್ತೆ earthನ revolution ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು? ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು after 3 months. in every 3 months ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು? ಸೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಹೌದಾ? So yes, this is about the seasons. When the day and night caused occur when the earth complete one rotation, and how many hours it takes to complete one rotation? It takes 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and it takes 365 days to complete one revolution, and the when revolution caused seasons. Okay, rotation bantandre ಏನು change ಆಗ್ತಾವು, day and night change ಆಗ್ತಾವು. Revolution bantandre seasons change ಆಗ್ತಾವು. Okay, so keep it in your mind. So yes, here this lesson is finished. Okay, this is the lesson, that is our solar system. So basically what we have studied here, we have studied that there are millions of the stars in the sky. Yes sir, there are millions. Can you count the stars? No, you cannot, because not stars are visible to us, but they are millions. Stars, millions of stars are there in the solar system. So one big star is there, that is called sun. Okay, by what we are getting light, heat and warmness. Next, stars are very hot balls of fiery gases that emit light and heat. So stars andre stars are nothing but these are the sources of heat. Okay, and next, the sun is our nearest star. Out of all stars, sun is the only which is closest star to the earth, and we are getting heat and light from the sun only. And next, the big heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun are known as planets. I know I told you that there are 8 planets in the solar system which revolve the sun. Okay, which revolve the sun continuously without stopping. Okay, and among all of those planets, Earth is the only planet where the life exists. Okay, next, they do not have light of their own, they reflect the light of the sun. So I told you there are 8 planets. Not among all of the 8 planets, one the planet ಒಳಗೂ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. They do not have, all the planets do not have their own light and heat. Then how they are getting? See, now we are standing on the earth, this is also a planet, is it? So how we are getting light and heat? We are getting light and heat from the sun, but earth doesn't have its own light. Okay, it is just a planet, not a star. Next, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Obviously there are 8 planets in the solar system. So what are those? Those are the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. One more was there, that is called Pluto, but it is invisible now. Adu kanangilla Pluto. Modu 9 iddu, but igana Pluto na tagadu hakibittara. So we are having only 8 planets. Okay, and Earth is one of them where the life exists. Next, Pluto, which is used to be classified as a planet, is now considered a dwarf planet. Just I told you, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿತ್ತು planet that is called as Pluto, but ಅದು ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, visible ಇಲ್ಲ, it is invisible. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಆ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಗೆ dwarf planet ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, next, each planet revolves around the sun in a curved path called orbit. So all the 8 planets, not only the earth ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, all 8 planets revolve around the sun, and that particular path is called, what we call that particular path is called as orbit. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಾರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, 8 planets ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾವು. ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, changes in seasons are caused by the revolution. Yes, seasons ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು, it is just because of the revolution and tilted axis of the earth also. Okay, and what about the rotation? Rotation of the earth causes day and night. Day and night ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಒಂದು rotation ಮುಗಿದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. seasons ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಒಂದು revolution ಮುಗಿದಿರ್ತೈತಿ. That is the difference in between rotation and revolution. One more difference is that it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Keep it in mind. Okay, so these are the important things from the lesson, our solar system. Do one thing in your home, open the page number 118, and you can see some of the questions are here in the yellow box. State whether the following statements are true or false. Read those statements properly. If it is true, write true. If it is false, write false. Read the questions properly and try to find the answers for those questions. Do it in your home. Okay. If you will not get the answer, however, I will explain all of these questions in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So we will continue in the next class.